that's lined up. I want to say this is gonna be 17. Yep. 17. Little pan under there. So, if you didn't know, they got these stands at Harbor Freight. If you have a Harbor Freight by you, I think they're like 40 bucks, 50 bucks. But they got the hole in there. You got your little plate right here. But you're just gonna come in. Yeah, come into this way. Need something to hold it. Gosh. Guess I gotta put my foot over here. That was from my from this pad. If it gets oil on it, it gets old or gas, not oil. It gets old and brittle. There's that. Let's check this oil while we're right here. Before we take that out. Should just have to dip it in there, see where the oil is, which it looks like it got good oil in there, or a decent amount. Halfway, he's only burned through half of it, but it's black, so definitely needs to change. Pop this bad boy off. Let me get something in case that fills up. Oil change is easy too. There ain't no oil filter or nothing, so let that drip out. What I like to do, just barely move the motor over, get any of that extra oil out. Which it's looking good. We'll let that drip out to where it ain't dripping no more. It usually will say how much you fill it up with, but oh yeah. So it says 500 kilometers, which should be 500 milliliters, but I'm not sure. I gotta look it up. Might just go ahead and plug it and then put 300 and then check it with the dipstick, see where it's at. All right. Pretty much done. Let's just cap this. And people always confuse this. You do not want to over tighten these. You just want to get it nice and snug. Nice and snug on there. Wipe this off. So that's all good. Bang. And then trash. So that's how you do that. Let's go ahead and fill this up with some oil. Like I said, we're gonna put 400 in there. 400 milliliters. Let's do 300 milliliters. We'll do 300. That's more than half. So it should show us what it's gonna be at. So this is what we'll use. We're gonna go, like I said, 300 milliliters. So it says right up here, 500 kilometers, but I don't know what the difference is between that. So we're just gonna go, let's do half of that. Do 250 milliliters, just in case. This is the oil that we're using, Lucas oil. I use this in all my bikes. So it's about 250. Fill her up. we'll fill her up, we'll let it sit for a second. We'll let it settle down in there. And we'll check it. But y'all, the tune-up on these pit bikes is so easy. You want to do it. You want to keep your maintenance up on it. It's cheap too. I'll put all the in the description, everything that I use, so you can order it and go from there. Because I always, when I do my research on these bikes, certain parts, I make sure that I get the good stuff. I make sure that it's good reviews and good price. So just follow the guide. Alright, it's been sitting there for a good second. Let's go ahead and dip it. You should only dip it like this. Yeah, we ain't getting nothing, so we need some more. Let's do another 250. Let's see where that puts us. We'll do 200. Let's check it. We're getting a little bit. It's not quite enough. Yeah, we're just barely getting some. So we're gonna do another 100. See where that gets us. That's gonna put us at 500 exact. So. Let it sit for a second. Dip it. Still ain't getting their reading. Just screw it in. You shouldn't have to screw it in, but we'll see if that makes a difference. Yeah, a little bit of a difference. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more, like 50 milliliters in more. Like that. Another one. Yeah, oil. Well, y'all, it looks like we gotta get some more oil. Ain't got no more, so. So what we'll do, we'll check it one more time. Still a little bit left in here. Slider. I know, like 4-strokes race bikes, you just do it like this. So I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, you just do it like this. But we're barely getting any on there when we do it like that, so I'm gonna make sure that it's full. Put some there. So, but that's how you do. We're gonna have to get more oil. So, we'll put a little bit more. We'll start out with 50 milliliters. We'll check it, see where it's at. But where I want it to be I'm gonna show you guys on this dipstick where I want it to be at, for me to feel comfortable about it. I want it to at least be like right here. You don't want it over this. This line's the limit, but I want it to be a little bit above half. So like right there. And that's what we'll shoot for. That's what we'll get. But that's gonna conclude this video. That's how you do a tune-up on a SSR 110 pit bike. This works for the SSR 125. This works for other pit bikes. It's kind of the same on all dirt bikes, really. This is how you would do it. They're set up a little different, but it's all the same process. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe as always. If you enjoyed the video, go down and put a crown in the comments. And if you guys want to be a part of King Family, put hashtag King Family in the comments. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed it.
Cook that shit up, Quay.